Hurricanes have a vicious history of destroying our nation's cities and towns.
Why you look so sad? The tears are in your eyes. Come on and talk to me now. Don't be ashamed to cry.
Most recently, Hurricane Sandy devastated the Northeast. It destroyed houses, businesses, subways, power lines, and much more, all at the start of winter. Even though there is no way to prevent these storms from occurring, we as a country can make sure we are prepared for any future hurricanes. Businesses need to revamp their emergency funds, and cities must provide efficient relief resources. Just because we may see them coming does not mean we are ready. Visit facebook.com/USF Hurricane Sandy Relief to learn more about how you can help improve hurricane preparedness.
So, if you're mad, get mad. Don't hold it